Alpha Uniform Yankee TNK, name we heard of a lot yesterday. Just popped, made new highs here. It's trading in about a 5-cent range so far. TNK. NIO is on the list. Numbers were on the higher end, so some money rolling back into NIO. Don't expect it to be a big mover. ASUR trying to turn up here. PAYS under that $10 mark and trying to bounce back. It's a pretty slow morning so far with the markets moving lower here. Digital Turbine, APPS. A little bit of buying here off the lows. RIG. Meat is another name to watch. Meat, M-E-E-T. We've had a positive movement in meat here over the last few sessions. We want to keep a close eye on it. TNK is trying to go 5-cent range, 6-cent range now. PAYS back above 10.